After 1 week of use, this is the real effect of SKJN collagen sa buong katawan ko. After 7 days of using SKJN collagen, as in, makikita mo talaga na kapag masinagan ka lang ng konting araw, makikita mo talaga yung blooming effect ng product na ito. So, this is the testament. Ayan, kahit na mag-dim pa yung natural light, talagang ganito yung makikita mong magiging radiance, yung pagka-radiant ng skin mo. So, this is the testament na talagang effective talaga itong product. So, ang talagang verdict ko, so sa start pa lang, ang pwede kong sabihin sa verdict is kung pwede nga lang 12/10, 12/10. So, ayan. Lumiliwanag na naman po yung natural lighting natin. So, yes, ganito yung effect kapag masisinagan ka talaga ng araw. So, kitang-kita mo yung, ayan, medyo, ayan, ganyan. So, lalakas man or hihina yung sinag ng araw, ganito yung effect niya. Ayan. Kahit na anong shade or kahit na anong sikat ng araw, mapapansin mo pa rin yung talagang pag-bright tsaka pag-pinkish, yung alam mo yon, yung namumula talaga yung skin mo. Yun yung effect niya after 1 week of use. So, ngayon, i-flash natin yung closer look nito. Titignan natin yung mga ingredients niya, yung description, tapos lahat ng mga mahahalagang information from this bottle. Here is the magic question. Magkano nga ba ang isang bote na ganito na meron siyang laman na 120 micro tablets? So, ang regular or suggested retail price is, ayan, pwede siyang mag-range between 1,100 to 1,250. So, yan po yung range niya. Depende sa seller. Siyempre, yung mga ibang seller magpapatong. Tapos, additional shipping fee kung mag-order po kayo online. So, yes, maglalabas lang kayo ng between 1,100 to 1,250. So, even though meron siyang suggested retail price, so since pandemic ngayon, kailangan nyo talaga mag-order online and, of course, shoulder yung shipping fee. So, ayan po. Medyo makinang siya. Ayan. So, that's the price of one bottle. By the way, I would like to say thank you to SKJN Japan for sponsoring me this bottle. Tapos, meron isang tumbler na ipapakita ko mamaya pag iti-take na natin itong collagen. So, as in, thankful ako dahil isa po ako sa mga napili nyo na mag-endorse ng product or mag-vlog about this product. So, this is a legit 7-day review and this is the testament. This is the proof na talagang ginamit ko and nag-effect using yung natural lighting. Walang halong extra artificial lighting, yung ring light. Natural lighting lang yung ginamit ko and ganito talaga yung natural effect ng collagen na ito. Ito na po yung closer look ng bottle ng SKJN Collagen. This is the collagen that has gel that glows. Made in Japan and it has 120 micro tablets. So buti na lang English siya para maintindihan natin and slowly i-turn natin. So sabi dito, what is SKJN? SKJN is mainly derived from natural sea extracts with the power of Japanese technology. SKJN introduces the most advanced collagen product to date. Ayan, micro tablets siya. So, unlike topical solutions like creams, SKJN micro tablets repair and replenish collagen in your body for a healthy, glowing skin, both inside and out. So, the side benefits or yung baka may magtatanong about sa side effects include healthier hair, nails, connective tissues, cartilage, bones, and joints. Ayan. SKJN would like to donate 5 pesos for every bottle sold to a chosen charitable entity. So, yun ang maganda dito kasi meron silang mga charitable recipients na institution. So, to learn more, follow SKJN sa kanilang Facebook and SKJN Collagen sa Instagram. So, recommended use niya is take 4 to 10 tablets per day, all at once or individual doses. So, 4 to 10 tablets a day. So, ang disclaimer nito is this product is a food supplement. As such, it is not intended to replace a normal healthy diet. For consumers with special needs or conditions, please consult your healthcare provider. Kung may nararamdaman kayong sakit, magpa-check muna kayo. So, store in a cool, dry place. Particularly, dapat wag above 30 degrees Celsius. So, made in Japan for SKJN Collagen, beauty products trading international quality standards. Ayan. So, dito naman tayo. Sabi dito is yung suggested intake, yan, and main ingredients per serving: C collagen peptide 1000 mg, per Coix extract 100 mg, silk peptide, ayan, 50 mg, and coenzyme Q10 20 mg. Other ingredients, ayan, yung mga vitamin E powder, dextrine, cellulose, calcium, ayan. So, meron din pala siyang vitamin C, so 100 mg of vitamin C, and then yung mga usual energy, protein, fats, carbohydrates, sodium. So, ito po will expire on December 2023. O, diba? And this is FDA approved siya, and of course, approved siya sa FDA ng Japan. So, this is safe to use and safe here in the Philippines. O, diba? Kaya, legit na legit siya. Hindi po siya fake. Ayan, for a closer look. So, as in, promise, ganito yung effect niya after 7 days. 7 days of using this one. And ganito na yung effect, talagang kumikinang, especially using natural light. So, yes, walang halong creams or foundation or concealer or kahit na ano dyan, face powder. This is real na real. So, yes, magda-demonstrate na po tayo. And ngayon, gagamitin na natin yung tumbler. So, i-inspect natin. Siyempre, nabuksan ko na. So, ganyan. And, ganito yung color niya. It's like, parang pinkish na pagka-violet. Lavender yung color niya. So, lavender yung color niya. And, wala siyang kaamoy-amoy. Yes. Yun ang gusto ko. Very natural. Wala siyang amoy. O, diba? In-inspect talaga yung appearance. And then yung amoy. And then, ang cute talaga nila. For me, syempre, I take 2 in the morning and 2 in the evening. So, okay lang sa akin kahit na 4. Kasi maintenance siya. So, ganyan. And, kukuha tayo ng 2. And, because hindi lang ito kasi yung in-sponsor ng SKJN, meron silang binigay na tumbler. So, ayan. Medyo nag-adjust ulit yung kanyang, kasi pag gaganyan mo, mag-change siya. Adaptive yung kanya, yung camera. Anyway, magte-take na po tayo. So, yes, ito yung tumbler and this is the tablet, yung bottle na tablet. And magte-take po tayo. So, by the way, thank you once again sa tumbler kasi meron po tayong paglalagyan ng ating drinking water. So, ayan, and tapos, ang isang advice ko sa inyo is always drink between 12 to 14 glasses of water a day. So, ito is equivalent to 1 glass of water. As in, sulit na sulit yung taste. And talaga namang ma-enjoy mo yung effect because as in, pag made in Japan, for me, mas hiyang ko yung mga made in Japan na collagen supplements kasi hindi ako nagkaroon ng negative na irritation, allergic reaction, hindi ako nangangati, walang side effects. hindi sumakit yung ulo ko, there's no parang gastric na irritant na effect sa katawan ko. So talaga namang pag Japanese product, I really trust and recommend sa inyo dyan because tested and proven sa katawan ko. And this is the talagang proof. Ayan. So, eto talaga yung proof na effective ang collagen na ito. Sa mga nagtatanong, what is the best time to take this product? For me, pwede namang isang bagsakan or maramihan na all at once at after breakfast na 4 to 10. Depende yan sa'yo, pero sa akin kasi, 2 in the morning or 2 in the evening or afternoon. Pero pwede rin na isang all at once sa morning. Pwedeng 6, pwedeng 8, ayan, pwedeng 10 all at once in the morning. Pero kasi, kapag 6, 8, 10, mas mabilis na siyang maubos. Kapag 4 or even twice lang a day, makakatipid ka kasi 120 yung laman niya. So, for example, kapag 1 or twice a day, 90 siya. So, mauubos mo siya in 3 months. So, ganyan, 120 in 6 months. Mauubos mo siya in 6 months. Tama ba yung calculation ko? Basta, yun. Pag tag-iisa mo siyang i-take, mauubos mo siya probably mga 10 to 11 months. But, kapag mga 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, syempre, mas shorter. Ayan. So, yes, as in, once again, my verdict is 12/10. More than perfect. Ayan, paulit-ulit ko itong sinasabi because totoo siya and highly recommended ito. So, kung nagustuhan nyo itong na-review ko ngayon, don't forget to subscribe my 2 YouTube channels. Yes, dalawa po ang YouTube channel ko, The Story of Anthony and The Story of Anthony Vlogs. So, if you have any comments, if you have suggestions, feedbacks, and sa mga gustong magpa-review ng inyong products, don't hesitate to reach me out and mag-comment down below lang kayo. And of course, reach me out in my Facebook page, Instagram, or Twitter. The Story of Anthony is my account. Ayan, basta search nyo lang ako sa social media. I will reply immediately as long as online ako. So, ayan guys, thank you for watching this important review. So, sana may natutunan kayo and ma-highlight ang inyong queries. Sana nakatulong itong vlog sa inyo para ma-convince kayo na i-try itong product na ito. So, that would be all. Thank you and always stay safe.